is Wonderland fireworks. There's Elf and Fury over there. Right over there is Elf and Fury. Oh! There's the Leviathan over there.
Are they doing some over there too?
Also, it's an orange moon. Focus on it, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Am I recording too?
Imagine if we were in the park still. Look at Behemoth. It's like orange over there. There's like orange lights. Hold on. Can't even see whenever it's zoomed in. Where is it at? You can't even see. Can't even see nothing.